Okay, in this video, I'm going over the quiz from last Friday. Okay, please make sure you try to see what your mistakes were. And if I give you another problem within the Edpuzzle, okay, see if you can do a better job on that problem than maybe you did on the original quiz. Okay, number 1, find the circumference of the circle. Okay, to find circumference of a circle, you take pi times diameter. Okay, the diameter is all the way across the middle of the circle. Okay, you don't know that, but you know the radius is 7. So the distance all the way through the middle, the diameter would be 14. Okay, so we're going to take 3.14 times 14. Okay, and we're going to get 43.96. Okay, you did not need a round on this quiz. Okay, on the area problem, it's the same circle. Okay, to find the area of a circle, I told you guys just to do pi times r times r. Okay, the radius is 7. Okay, they gave you that. So all you have to do is take 3.14 times 7 times 7. Okay, and that will give you 153.86. Okay, inches squared. You didn't have to worry about the label because I had that there. Okay, number 3, area of a parallelogram. Okay, the area of a parallelogram is base times height. Okay, the base is the bottom, okay, which is 7. The height is how high it is. Okay, it's 3 inches high. Notice the right angle there. Okay, so we need to take 7 times 3. Okay, that's 21 inches squared. Okay, the area of a triangle. Okay, for a triangle is half the size of a parallelogram. So you need to use 1/2 times base times height, 1/2 times the base of 7 times the height of 10. A couple different ways you could do this. You could try to figure out 1/2 times 7, and you could. You're going to get a decimal or a fraction. What I would do in this particular problem is I would figure out 7 times 10 first. So I would think of this as 1/2 times, okay, 7 times 10 is 70. I would think of this as 1/2 times 70. Okay, that means 1/2 of 70, which means take 70 divided by 2, which is 35 square yards. Okay, next problem is a trapezoid. Okay, the formula for a trapezoid is 1/2 times the sum of the bases times the height. Okay, so what I would do, I would just first put the numbers in. The bases are the 2 parallel sides. Okay, that's the 6 and the 9. The height is how high it is, okay, as it's sitting on that 9. It's 4 feet high. So I'm going to put 4 in for h. Okay, when I think about my order of operations, I need to do parentheses, what's inside parentheses first. Okay, 6 plus 9 is 15. So I have 1/2 times 15 times 4. Okay, so when I figure out 1/2 times 15 times 4, a lot of different ways I could do that. Okay, kind of like the triangle problem before. Okay, I'm going to do something even a little bit different. I'm just going to take 1/2 times 4 first. Since 1/2 times 15 would be a decimal or a fraction, okay, I'm just going to take 1/2 times 4 first because order doesn't matter when you multiply a bunch of numbers. 1/2 times 4 is 2. And if you take 2 times 15, you get 30 feet squared. Okay, 30 feet squared. Okay, number 6. Okay, kind of tricky because it was 2 shapes combined together. Okay, the rectangle. There's a rectangle and a triangle. The rectangle has 9 and 4 as the length and the width. So just multiply those together to give you 36 centimeters squared. Okay, the triangle next to it, 1/2 times base times height. Okay, 1/2 times 5. Okay, now you got to be careful with the height. Okay, you don't know what that is just by looking at it. Okay, but look right here, guys. Okay, this is 9. This entire side over here on the left is 9. And over here on the right, this entire segment makes up 9. Okay, so 3 plus some number, whatever that distance is right there, would have to add up to a total of 9. And that would have to be 6. Okay, so the area of the triangle would be 1/2 times the base 5 times the height 6. Okay, many different ways I can come up with that. I'm going to, since the numbers are fairly small, I'm just going to do 5 times 6 first, which is 30. And I'm going to think of that as 1/2 of 30, which would be 30 divided by 2, which is 15. Okay, the total area, if I have 36 little squares inside the rectangle, and I have 15 little square units inside the triangle, my total would be the sum of those. Okay, just add those up. 36 plus 15. Okay, I believe that's 51 square centimeters. Okay. Number 7. Consider the data tables. Okay, it doesn't show you everything here, but I just want to know, are these proportional? Okay, table A. Okay, the only thing for something to be proportional that we care about, the only thing we care about is that y divided by x is always equal to the same number. Okay, so look at that first point. Okay, 3 divided by 1, that's 3. Look at the second set of numbers, 12 and 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Okay, the third set, 15 divided by 5 is 3. Okay, since y divided by x is always equal to the same thing, okay, that means that one would be proportional. Okay, that is proportional. Okay, the second table, well, I can tell, make it a little easier, I can tell that 5 divided by 2, okay, I know that's going to be 2.5, but even if I didn't know that right off, 6 divided by 3 is exactly 2. And I know that's not the same thing as 5 divided by 2. Okay, 5 divided by 2 and 6 divided by 3 give you 2 different answers. Okay, so that is not proportional. Okay, number 8. We have soda pops and total price in dollars. Okay, I'm asking for the constant of proportionality and an equation. Okay, the constant of proportionality. Think about table A for a minute. That 3 divided by 1 is 3, 12 divided by 4 is 3, 15 divided by 5 is 3. Okay, that 3 is the constant of proportionality. It's just that common number you get every time. So in this problem, if you take $2 divided by 1 soda pop, you get $2 per soda pop. Okay, if you take $6 divided by 3 soda pops, you get $2 per soda pop. If you take $20 divided by 10 soda pops, you get $2 per soda pop. See, you always get 2. Okay, that constant of proportionality is 2. Okay, the equation. Okay, think about this. The y value on the right is always equal. Okay, the y value on the right is always equal to some number times the x value. Okay, they're always going to be in this form. Okay, for proportional data tables. So 2 is equal to what number times 1? It'd be 2. 6 is equal to what number times 3. That'd be 2. 20 is equal to 2 times 10. So you always multiply the x value times 2 to get your y value. So your y value is always equal to 2 times your x value. So y is equal to 2 times x. Okay, last two problems. Number 9. Okay, which of the graphs are proportional? Okay, for a graph to be proportional, it needs to be a straight line, and it has to pass through the origin. Okay, 0.00. Okay, so graph A is proportional. It's a straight line that passes through 0.00. Okay, B is not. B is a curve. C is. It's a straight line that goes through 0, 0. Okay, but D is not. Okay, it is a straight line. Okay, but it is not going through this 0.00 down here. Okay, so it's just A and C. Okay, the last problem, we have Rebecca's chips per hour. Okay, we're asking for the unit rate, the slope, and the equation. Okay, the unit rate. Okay, notice 1 hour, 12 chips. That kind of tells you the unit rate right there. She has eaten 12 chips in 1 hour. Okay, the unit rate is a fraction with per in it, like chips per hour. Okay, so the unit rate would be 12 chips per hour. Okay, the slope, rise over run, pick 2 points, rise and run. You just got to be careful on this problem that you're going up the right number. Okay, every space is not necessarily 1. Okay, you're going up 12 chips over 1 hour. Up 12 chips over 1 hour. So 12 over 1 would be 12. Again, 12 chips per hour. Okay, the equation, it's going to be y equals some number times x. Okay, and think about just the equation of a line. The number in front of your x is the slope if it's proportional. Y is equal to 12 times x. Okay, guys, I went quick because I only get 10 minutes on YouTube. If you have any questions, though, please contact me, and I'll help you out.